Check out this 2012 Toyota Prius V. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: air conditioning, center armrest, climate control, coolant temp gauge, cruise control, front bucket seats, keyless entry, map light, power door locks and power steering. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.